There is a need for our operational forces and allies to receive integrated data from the various Space Force satellites. This requires a vast amount of software processing. We are able to achieve this with a minimum of hardware. This video demonstrates our ability to meet this need even on a smartphone. By using the cloud or on-premise servers, our complete C5 ISR system enables massive sensor feed tracking and translation of the data from classified and unclassified satellite sources into a common C4I MDDL data link format, and then reformatting the data into the appropriate tactical data links. We enable an integrated, common operational picture between all interfacing C5 ISR systems without any modification to the aircraft, ship, or vehicle systems or changes to their existing data link standards. Here we see 3,000 plus real-time unclassified sensor reports displaying real-time aircraft, ship, and ELINT sensor feeds focused in the South China Sea. The system supports a global COP and has the capacity to display 100,000 sensor reports. We can get detail on each of these sensor reports by hooking the symbol associated with it. We can hook an air track to get the aircraft's call sign, heading, speed and altitude, as well as range and bearing. When available, I can also get a representative image of the type of craft. I know this plane is an Airbus A321, and I get a picture of what an Airbus A321 looks like. Here we can hook a C-track to get the detailed info like vessel name, type, call sign, destination, MIMSI and IMO designations, as well as a range and bearing, length, width, and draft. Again, I can get a representative image of the type of craft. The bulk of the symbols you're seeing on the map is ELINT data received from an unclassified satellite source. Here we can hook a radio symbol. In addition to the location, we see the signal is VHF and we get the frequency and channel. I can hook another one and I can see that the signal is L-band. I can also hook a radar symbol. Again, I get the location as well as the signal, X-band. I also get the frequency as well as the repetition frequency and length of the pulse. I can also get ship symbols as ELINT data, so I know that a VHF signal emanated from this vessel. Through our integrated command center, we now have a scalable, integrated C5 ISR worldwide common operational picture of the air, ground, and sea, integrating markers, ship traffic data, air traffic data, ELINT data, and more, and the ability to display 10,000 plus sensor reports and thousands of users simultaneously.